Hi, I'm Sarah from CompleteAITraining.com, and in this video, I'm going to guide you on how to grow your career and become an AI specialized IT specialist. Whether you're just starting out or looking to advance your skills, we'll cover everything you need to know to excel in this exciting and rapidly evolving field. Let's dive in. By becoming an AI specialized IT specialist, you can future proof your skills, ensuring you stay relevant in an ever changing tech landscape. You'll also open the door to more job opportunities as companies increasingly seek professionals with AI expertise. Plus, with AI skills, you can command a higher salary thanks to the efficiency and productivity gains AI tools provide. Embrace the future, enhance your career, and unlock new possibilities with AI specialization. At CompleteAITraining.com, we offer comprehensive courses and a certification program designed to help you become an AI specialized IT specialist. With AI developments advancing rapidly, we ensure you stay updated on the latest trends and technologies relevant to IT specialists. Stay ahead of the curve with CompleteAITraining.com. Our AI video training programs are tailored to transform you into an AI specialized IT specialist. Dive into the latest prompt courses, explore custom GPTs designed for specific IT tasks, and utilize organized AI tools. With our course and certification program, you'll gain the expertise needed to excel in the evolving IT landscape. If you're interested in this course, please check out CompleteAITraining.com and search for IT specialists. You can sign up for as low as $99 a year to get access to all video trainings, prompts, custom GPTs, AI tools, and one free certification per year. Don't wait to become an AI expert IT specialist. You can start a 3-day trial today.